Hello everyone. Today I will discuss exercise 11.3 question number 2. A suitcase with measures 80 cm into 48 cm into 24 cm is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 cm is required to cover 100 such suitcases? Let us solve. Here it is given the dimension of the suitcase is 80 centimeter into 48 centimeter into 24 centimeter. That means length is given as 80 centimeter. Breadth is given as 48 centimeter. 48 centimeter. 48. And height is given as 24 centimeter. Height is given as 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter. We know that the surface area of the suitcase, since it is a cuboid, therefore we know the total surface area, total surface area, total surface area of the suitcase of the suitcase is equal to 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length, right? Therefore we are getting 2, length is 80. If we give here third bracket, length is 80 and breadth is 48 plus B is 48 into H is 24 plus H is 24 and length is 80. Length is 80, right? Therefore we are getting 2 into, if we multiply 48 with 80, then we are getting, multiply 48 with 80, then we are getting 0, 0, 8 is 64, 6 it is 4, for 32 plus 6, 38, that is 3, 8, 4, 0. Then we are getting, if multiplying, that is 3, 8, 4, 0 plus, if we multiply 48 with 24, 48 with 24 and multiplying it to 24, then 4 8 is 32, 3 it is 2, 4 4 is 16 plus 3 is 19, that is 192 into 2 8 is 16, carry 1, it is 6, 48 plus 1 is 9. That means we are getting 2, 9 plus 6 is 15, 5, carry 1, and 10, 11. That is 1, 1, 5, 2. We are getting 1, 1, 5, 2. Plus, if we multiply 24 with 80, then we are getting 24 with 80. If we multiply 24 with 80, then we are getting 0. It is 0. It is 4 is 32, 3 it is 2, 8 is 16 plus 3 is 19, 1920, 1920, that is 1, 1920, right? We are getting 3840 plus 1152 plus 1920. That means 2 into, if we add all this, then we are getting, we are adding 3840 3840 plus 1152 1152 plus 1920 1920. That means we are getting, it is 2 2. 4 plus 5 is 9 plus 2 11, carry 1, it is 1. 9 plus 1 10, 11. 11 plus 8 is 19, carry 1, it is 9. 1. 3 plus 1 4, 5 6, 6 9 1 2. Right? That means this into 6 1 9 2. That is 6,912. Right? Therefore, it is in centimeter square. If you multiply 6912 with 2, then you are getting 6 9 1 2. Multiply the 2, that is 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. 2 on the 2. 9 to the 18, carry 1, it is 8. 2 to the 12 plus 1 is 13. That is 13,824. 13,824. That is we are getting 13,800. 13,800. 824. 13,824 centimeter square. 13,824 centimeter square. Therefore, the surface area of one suitcase. Therefore, total surface area, total surface area of 100 suitcases, 100 suitcases is equal to 313,824 into 100 centimeter square. That is we are getting 13,824 centimeter square. Alright, this the total surface area of 100 suitcases. Here is how many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 cm is required to cover 100 such suitcases. Right? Then area required tarpaulin is equal to, here we are writing required tarpaulin is equal to length into breadth is equal to length into breadth length into breadth. This is the area of the required tarpaulin. Therefore, length into breadth is equal to 1382400 centimeter square. Right? Therefore, length and breadth is given as 96 centimeter. Length into 96 is equal to 138 2400 centimeter square. Therefore, we'll find length is equal to length is equal to 1382,400 divided by 96 divided by 96. If we divide 1382,400 with 96, then we are getting if you rub this one, we rub this one, then we are getting, here you see, is right. Here you see, this is 1382,400 by 96. Let us divide it by 2. Then 2, 4 is 8, 8, 2 4 is 8, 16, 2 8 is 16, that is 48. If we divide it by 2, then we are getting 2 6 is 12, 2 6 is 12, 18, 2 9 is 18, 2 1 is 2, 2 is 4, 0, 0. Again we divide it by 2, 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, divide by 2, then 2, 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 11, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 0, 0, right? 24. Now 2, 1 is 2, 2 is 4. Again if we divide it by 2, then we are getting 2 is 2, 2 7 is 14, right? 2 2 is 4, 16, 2 8 is 16, 0, 0. 1 7 2, 12. Now if we divide it by 12, then what we are getting, you see. If we divide it by 12, 1728, this is 1728, 1728, 1 7 2 800. Or you can divide it by 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 6 is 12, and 2 2 8 is 16, 16, 12, 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8, 0, 0. We will divide it by 6, that is 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6, 2 26, 4 4 6 is 24, 2 4 6 is 24, 0, 0, that is 144, 0, 0 centimeter. That is, the length is given as 1 4 4 0 0 centimeter. If we divide it by 100, then we are getting 144 meter. That is 144 meter, right? The question was, how many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcases? Therefore, the answer is thus, hence 144 meter, 144 meter of tarpaulin of tarpaulin is is required to cover required to cover required to cover 100 such suitcases, 100 such suitcases, such suitcases, 100 such suitcases, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.